All right, let's go ahead and get into Velvet. She was over there doing her thing, and she seems to be getting irritated with people asking her questions about being pregnant by Nature Boy. She also talked about STDs and things like that, basically saying if she's pregnant and has to see a doctor, then how in the world could she have STDs? Is it me, or is Eliana looking more and more like Nature Boy? I don't think it's in my mind. You will see Eliana in this video here, and I feel like she is a splitting image of her daddy. Check out the video coming up. Feel free to leave your comments down below, and you will either see me or hear me in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.
15 more minutes on here? How long you been on this? 24 minutes. Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up because now I don't feel good.
Uh-oh. You want to go and yeah, because you got this what?
I'm okay. I just have to hope see things going on.
Yeah. So you only got just to be on the safe side, you only got 10 more minutes because you was like an hour and 27 on a single panel.
Come on, Ellie, let's go. I think it's because I'm hot.
It is hot out there.
Come inside. Come on.
BMF Marley, she's good, but you can send her some gifts.
Come on, get in.
Send her some gifts for her sickness.
Well, you should come inside when I tell you to.
You can send her gifts
because I'm hot.
Hi, Shanice.
There's some people in the chat that need to be kicked for real.
Who did I miss? Who did I miss? What they say?
You got that ID number. You seen it?
I got that one.
Yeah. That's all they can. Somebody said, when are we going to be allowed to ask questions respectfully? Or are we just going to sit here and pretend like she wasn't Nature Boy Junior? That is so weird. If I was Nature Boy Junior, I would still be there.
You would still be there. They're so annoying because you have already spoken your truth so many times. So if they just now joining in, they need to go back and look. That's ridiculous. Like, you don't know. That's ridiculous.
You too, Shanice. Yeah, that shit it's getting old. At this point, it's just old and stupid. It's like, whatever. Yeah, I don't understand. I see so many posts, and I'm like, I just look at some of the stuff and just laugh. It's like, it gets to a point where you could just literally
Please
laugh.
Leave me alone for a second. BMF Marley.
She said no. He said no.
Hey, Ground Burial, can you gift the hoe?
Ground Burial.
Thank you. Yeah, he mad cool. I met him. He cool. I met him today. He came on my panel.
Thank you for gifting me. I appreciate that, Ground Burial. I'm gonna need your services in the future.
I can't with her. No, Empress, it's different when you on a panel as opposed to being on a single. Okay, well, you said what you said, so goodbye. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go live and address Labanya. At least I'm gonna get gifts for my addressing that bitch.
I really wanted to try that. Well, no, but if you're gonna eat both of them, that's fine. Oh, I'll try it. Really? What I was about to, because Latanya had a picture of a Tracy, I think talking about her or something, saying that she had her personal info. A real picture? Is it a?
Yeah,
is it a real?
Yeah, it's my picture. Y'all know I came up. From me camming up, somebody screenshotted it.
Thank you, Queen Jen.
Thank you.
She just said I got 3 shows today from the same person. That is a blessing. Queen Jen, I got to put you on my top contributors list.
You'll see. I'm gonna go do some stuff with you, Velvet. Damn, are you bored? Like, keep coming back with these stupid ass troll names. Like, come back again.
Right, true. Essence, they trolling and they not even spelling stuff right. Like, we got it.
Come back with a new.
I'm blocking the person from my whole entire site. Like,
yeah. Come back with a new full page.
if I'm pregnant and I go to the doctor, what will make you think I have STDs? That don't make no sense. How could I be spreading anything if I'm pregnant and I literally go to the doctor?
I don't know.
Fat girl. Give me a kiss, fat girl.
He said no. Man, that's crazy, yo. Like, that's crazy looking at baby Eliana. How I started watching Velvet. How I started watching Velvet when she was about to give birth. When she was about to give birth to baby Eliana. That's crazy.
Oh, that's when you started watching?
Yeah, I started watching when she was just about when she was. It was like maybe a month.
Amazing to watch Velvet, you know, because before baby Eliana, I was watching from the beginning. Velvet really blossomed from like a little girl to a woman. She just went through a lot to get there, way more than the average. But the blossom was still beautiful.
Yeah, look at her. She is so adorable.
Eliana,
she is such a little sweetheart. Period. That's right.
Period.
2018. God, that's 2018. That was a long time ago.
And look how happy.
And that's true. I still got a long way to go.
Maybe we all got a long way to go.
I'm about to be 25. Yo, that's crazy. I remember when I was just 20. 25. That's crazy, bro.
My phones ain't charging up quick enough, man.
Hey, I'm turning up for my 25th birthday. I'm sorry. I got to have a birthday party for my 25th birthday.
That's right.
Come get some water, Mona. I was born to be a star. She probably gonna attack that with me. Yeah. Baby, I don't have your shoes. You gotta go get your own shoes.
I gotta find my other charger.
Me too.
All my shit, like all my fucking shit is dead. Yeah, this going. This one's going. This one ain't even recharging. You know. How long you been on? I know you don't feel good. You know, you keep typing.
I'm feeling better now. It's been 31 minutes. I'm feeling better now that I'm in the cool air. I just think I was out there for too long. Because it's really? Oh, wow. I'm hungry right now. I could eat again. Okay, so I left some of the Caesar salad dressing, but that was not a lot of salad in there. That was a one-person salad. That was not. Yeah, I did. So I was thinking about getting more salad, but not the one that's in the bag, but the one that's a lot more, like either the head or the one that's in the box. Yeah. You're gonna have to drink water now, Graham, because you had too much sugar already as it is with all of the stuff that you already drunk.
I think it's going to come. Patty, you know what? We so used to it at this point. We just mute them or kick them. It's inevitable at this point. So, it is what it is.
So Tracy, I've been on here for 31 minutes now. 33 actually. 33 minutes. 33 minutes now.
And you did an hour and 27 on the single?
Yeah.
Okay. So you should be good too. You should just that's your 2 hours right there. You coming back later? Nah, you good.
I don't know, actually.
We gonna start inviting you when we be. I mean, you know, I don't know why I don't send out invites when we be having our panels when we don't be doing shit. Yeah, go ahead and get something to eat.
Well, thanks for having me up, Velvet. It was nice chilling.
That hour and 20 might just count as 1 hour. She did an hour and 27. All right, I'm gonna talk to you later. I gotta go fix my phones and handle this bitch.
Okay.
I love you. Okay. Bye.
See y'all later. I'm probably gonna be back on, but I'm not exactly sure. I got a lot of stuff.
Mommy, I like ice cream. Okay. Bye.
I like ice cream too, Eligio.
Yeah.